Okay, so I've been asked a few times by people, how do I find these cafe events and where are they typically held while I'm in Korea? The top two areas of Seoul that I typically go to when I'm going to cafe events are Hongdae and Yongsan, right all around the Hyde building. A lot of the cafes will have banners like this outside of their door letting you know that they're celebrating an idol's birthday, but it is a lot easier to find them online, which is what I typically do so I can plan out my day and go to as many as I can. Okay, so here's the first way that I find cafe events, but this only applies to BTS ARMY. We actually have a website called armyroad.kr, and on this website, the creator collects all the different upcoming events, and they post them on this website for everyone to see. So here's like what it looks like right now. If you look at the website, and at the top right in yellow, you can see you can change the language if you'd like, from Korean to English or other languages. So after you change the language, you can see right here it says filter settings. So you're going to click that, and there's going to be a drop down menu. So I will click select city, and then there will be a pop-up. So once you click select city, this is the pop-up that you'll see. So for this example, I'll pick Seoul. Okay, so now that you've clicked it, you're able to scroll down and see all of the events happening in Seoul, but you are going to have to look carefully and look at each one to see where exactly they are, since they're in all different parts of the city. Okay, so let's say we want to look into this event more. So right here from the front page, you can see a lot of the key information, like the days that the event's being held, the times, what city it's in, and the name of the cafe. So after clicking the picture, you scroll down, and it will put the original posters by the organizer, things like times, lucky draws, things that are be for sale, gifts, etc. So you can scroll down, and actually down here, you'll see SNN notice. So you click that, and that will take you to the original posting that was made, most likely on Twitter, from the organizer. And then also you'll see the map, which right here you can see it's right behind Hybe, and you can click the link directly to Kakao Maps or Naver Maps. I typically use Naver Maps because that's simpler to me. The other way that you can find cafe events in Korea is to look it up yourself on Twitter. And so the way that I do this is I look up the name of the specific number that you're looking for, and then add in Sangil Cafe, so birthday cafe. And so you're going to want to type that all in Hangul on Twitter. So here's an example. I know that Yoonjin from Le Sserafim is just celebrating a birthday, so I decided to look up her name. So at the top, I put in Yoonjin Sangil Cafe, and then you'll be able to scroll through and see if there are any cafes available. So here's one example. This is a cafe in Yongsan. So by clicking the tweet, you can have a look at what the theme is, maybe some information on where exactly the location is. You can copy paste the name into Naver or Kakao Maps to find it. I know that this one is right by Hybe, and so you can scroll down and see all of the goodies that might be included, any lucky draws, raffles, things like that. And that's everything. Thank you for watching my long-winded step-by-step instruction on how to find cafe events in Korea. If you have any other questions about Korea, K-pop, going to events, things like that, let me know and I'll see if I can answer them.